Hey guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. And welcome to my official birthday vlog. So my birthday is not until tomorrow, but of course I have this thing of cutting my cake at 12 o'clock on the night of my birthday and just like ring in my birthday usually with my family, do a little bit of decor, and all of that, and that makes me really happy. And tomorrow I might just go to like a cafe in the morning, then in the evening I'm gonna go to Bastion with my parents for dinner, and I'm gonna get ready, but y'all are gonna see that in another vlog, the vlog that'll come before this one. You'll have already seen it if y'all have come to watch this video. But before I start this video, okay, I have some suspicions and I have to be very like quiet because my mom can hear it. Now I'm gonna say it on camera and let's see if it turns out to be true. So number one, I think, okay, I don't know if it's true, but I think I have like an idea and I'll tell you all why. I think my friends might surprise me. So I'll tell you all why. Because so Akanksha randomly she was like, what gift should I give you on your birthday? And I'm like, but like I don't know, you're not even going to meet on my birthday. Like gift suddenly, like gift. It's very sudden of her. 2 days ago also Devika was like, do you like gold or silver? And I'm very like picky on links. Like I catch links very fast. I'm quite suspicious that in life. And also I had like told my mother, like made it clear that I would like it if my friends would come, but I never took it ahead. So I'm not sure if they will come. They might not. It'll just be like a family thing. But I think 10% I think that they can come either tonight or maybe even tomorrow. I don't know. But I think sometime they'll come, I think. The second thing is, if they do come, I feel that they will vlog it. If they come. So that's only if assumption 1 is correct. Assumption 2 will be correct. Hi guys! So it's 14th May and tomorrow it's Raji's birthday and we are planning a midnight surprise party for her.
She has no clue about it.
Yeah.
Right under her building.
Yeah. Do you want to give the dates?
No, I just don't know. So we are all ready to go upstairs and I'm sure she's going to be very surprised. So just can't.
Let's go.
Yeah.
And catch her surprise reaction.
Yes.
And you're saying that? Oh my god. Hi Rashi. Hi. You're crazy. म्हणजे तुला आपलं संधी खोकला होता ना?
आहेच मला खोकला पण मी केलं.
काय केलं म्हणजे?
असं प्ले गेम.
She was asking me ki, what are you doing at night and all. I'll call you at 12 o'clock and all of that.
So how is the surprise?
Very
Did
nice.
you feel surprised? Were you aware like a little?
मतलब थोड़ा सा I felt like कि Akanksha was asking me what gift should I give you, what gift should I
And you
give
saw
you.
Mumta's message now that day.
I told you guys.
She is very smart.
And I am very suspicious.
Yeah, she's very smart.
You all have already seen this footage because I must have put whatever they filmed, but they are all here. And I had like I thought that 20% they can come, but ऐसे
20% lies.
no, but 80% I have to not. I can't take my hopes so high. And then though it's like if they don't come, then it's like कि what? Or if it was like she was discussing some other thing with Durga Didi, then what to do? Then it would be like quite a flop.
But you didn't ask Durga Didi. Then why has she texted?
I don't know.
I asked
But
her
only once.
because
That's not your personality.
because I felt कि if they are planning, then I don't want to. Then what?
You don't want to ruin everything.
Because 2 days before my birthday, what else to talk about, na?
She was prepared, guys.
No, but if y'all would come, I didn't know कि when y'all would come, na?
But sleepover would be a surprise.
हाँ, sleepover तो I didn't know, but the full bangs के साथ came. I was like कि wow. Akanksha has office, but she will only get to sleep for 1 hour, okay? I will only fall asleep. I feel before that. We all will only stay. But we are having pizza My mother has also planned everything. And Sprite. There's another surprise, you guys. My mother has bought friends, matching friends tees for everyone.
Let's change and then let's vlog.
Okay. These guys have changed into like these cute. Why are you sitting down?
It's comfortable.
These cute friends wale customized teas. And we're just sitting, chilling, talking. It's still only 10 o'clock, so long time. And that is the decor. We clicked lots of pictures. Yeah, we clicked lots of pictures. Not gonna let Akanksha sleep. That's the motto.
And we're not gonna let you sleep.
Yeah, I won't.
Mio.
How was the surprise planning? Please tell the audience.
No. We'll not tell the planning. You have to just wait and watch.
But how do you like my outfit? My outfit was to
It's a perfect influenza outfit. And how is our outfit that was planned by your mom?
epic. Really very nice. Friends.
Paper, scissors, stone.
Rock, paper, scissors, stone.
Stone, paper, scissors. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Whatever we did, we got it. No, I'll choose Mahika because she's very good at this. I'll choose Devika. Now what? I'll choose next. I'll choose Urvali. And now you choose.
Guys, dumb charade is going on full swing. This is team A. And this is my team, team B. What do
The
we name?
winning team.
What do we name the team? Rashi ke Sitare.
Wow. Self-obsession to the max.
Let's go.
I think, yeah.
Rashi.
It's your birthday.
My team's name is Rashi ke Sitare. What is your team's name?
Rashi ke sister.
And yours is Akanksha ke Parvane.
Very amazing. Chalo, she has.
Now Mahika is going to make us guess.
Put it away. Chale. Oh God. Oh my God.
So these people have also come.
अभी तीन के.
I didn't know that they were going to come, but they have come.
ऐसे गांधी जी के 3 बंदर बनाए.
This is
And we are all playing Uno. And there's hardly any time for my birthday, but we are playing Uno. So guys, they all gave me their gifts. Devika's gift is yet to come, so I'm excited because that's still a suspense. But Shruti, Mahika, and Akanksha, and Matangi and Mahika gave me the gifts together. So they all gave me their gifts. We just did some unboxing and... And I am also now in the friends tea. I already had it. So now we're just going to sit, gossip and do some time pass. It is 3 a.m. in the morning now and we have just heated some pizzas and we're playing 20 questions. These are some amazing cupcakes. Yeah, we filmed like a crazy reel which I won't show anybody. But we're having these cute cupcakes from day 15 and having a really nice time. How sleepy are you?
Now I'm not sleepy.
And Devika is like crazy. Like Devika and I were not sleepy. Now we both are sleepy and these two are awake. And Akanksha has office tomorrow, so she has to sleep and get some rest. And look at everyone's place. And it's almost 4 a.m.
I'm like very wide awake.
You are awake now?
I can sleep also. I can be up also. Like Rashi let them dance around. Dancing, jitna. She's given a warning to not wake her up early.
Yeah.
Not before 9.
She has to wake up at 7 for office.
If anyone wakes me up before 9:15,
Then what will you do?
one slap.
But we will wake you up now. You can wake up. Morning time, but the same faces. We are having some coffee. And almost 10 o'clock. And she's done having her coffee. So of course, now you have to talk.
Maintain peace and silence in the morning.
How did you like the coffee of my house?
It's good.
So I really wanted a cheese platter and my bua has sent it. And oh my god, I'm so happy. So guys, now they're all leaving.
It's time to go back home.
Yeah, and I'll show the rest of the
Go home
day.
and sleep now.
So I'm ready for the day of my birthday now. And my lift is here, so I'll vlog soon. Very coincidentally, so Mahika had to go to college, but then she got free very early. So she travels via my house car route. So she is like, should we meet and go out? Initially the plan was that, but after they surprised me, I was like, okay, we met and everything. So I was like, okay, chalo, I have a dress also, let's go. So now we've come to Paul and I have dressed up like this and let me show you how she is. Just look at
I was
her.
in
college. So
Since yesterday night, this is the same outfit, and look at the hair. I asked her to at least leave her hair.
You didn't wake me up on time.
I woke her up like this.
Like who wakes up like this?
एक तो she has said thandi. So she at middle of the night she just said thandi and expected me to switch off the
Yeah,
AC.
because I was like, Rashi, take the hint. I don't want to say the sentence.
But thankfully I was awake. That's why I could.
I don't know what you would do.
Kamsa left at 7 a.m. in the morning, and that's why she woke me up. And
I
then
did not wake up once when anyone left.
and we are at Paul. I love this place, yeah. I just love it.
Now let's sing about
Let's order. We've spoken for 10 minutes. And who did we see? Who did we see here?
Ronak Rajani.
I'll put the picture.
You don't know Ronak Rajani?
I've seen a couple of reels, but he's a
Very
famous
funny.
comedian. Our food is here. What is the name of the drink? Please tell.
Vanilla Spring
Nonsense. This is some drink. This is cold coffee, waffles, and flatbread with cheese. Now let's eat. It's almost like 5 p.m. and just received this from Matangi. She's not here, she's in Manipal, but she's just sent me these beautiful flowers and this chocolate. So sweet. So I'm ready for dinner. I'm going to Bastion at the top. The one at Kohinoor in Dadar is the newly opened one, and I've never been there before, so I was really excited to go there for my birthday dinner. I'm going there with my parents, and I'm wearing this very cute white backless dress. Love it. Again from Urbanic. Everything that I've worn is from Urbanic. Did a lot of birthday shopping from there. See you all there. And also there's going to be like a separate video in detail about Bastion, because it's like a nice, unique, creative idea that I'm going to do, but that'll come up a little late. The place is beautiful, and we're sitting by the pool side. The lighting is very like low. There's dim lighting, so I'm sorry if I'm not being seen very clearly. But yeah, we're here and we're enjoying. As I said, there's going to be like a detailed video of what all I ordered in a separate video. But for now, just sitting with my parents, chilling, enjoying. And it's 7:30, so we've gotten like a nice like view where the sun is setting. Done having dinner, and I hope you all can hear me. There's some music playing, and yeah, it was a really nice time that I had. Nice birthday, and that's it for my birthday series, and the last and final video, that's my birthday. So don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel.